Hello everyone, this is Gagana from Right Way Academy. Today I am here to teach you about abacus. Let us discuss about abacus. What is a abacus and how many parts are there in abacus, and I am going to show you how to use a abacus tool in this class. Okay, let us start. What is meant by abacus? Abacus means it is a counting tool which consists of frame, divider, beads and rods. In the abacus, we are going to use addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Easily we can calculate all the mathematical sums, arithmetical problems in this tool very easily. And welcome back. This is an abacus tool under explanation. Okay, here I have written all the parts and I showed here place values also. Let me explain this one. The outer layer which you are going to see here, the outer layer of the tool will called as an frame, and the middle line will called as an, this line will called as an divider, and these are the lower beads and the upper beads, and in this middle you are going to see this one will called as an rods. Okay, these are the four parts of abacus. Let me explain once again. The outer layer will called as a frame, middle line will called as a divider, and these are the beads, lower beads and the upper beads, and these are this will called as a rods. Okay, yes, here when you are going to calculate or count the numbers, you need to start with the middle point, that is unit place. This point will called as an unit place or ones place, and the next place value will called as an tens place. Later the third rod will called as an hundred place, and fourth rod will called as an thousand. Fifth rod will called as an 10,000, sixth rod will called as an lakh, and this final rod will called as 10 lakh. Up to n number we can calculate here. We can going to count up to million. Here the lower beads will called as an 1 unit beads. Okay, these lower beads will called as an 1 unit beads, and upper beads will called as an 5 unit beads. Okay, these are the upper beads and these are the lower beads. These lower beads will called as 1 unit bead, upper bead will called as an 5 units beads. Here also I have written this. We will start from middle point, that is unit place. Upper bead will called as an 5 unit beads and it is an ones place. Here the second rod will called as an tens place, so the value is 50 unit beads. Okay, here third rod is an 100 place and the value of the upper bead is 500. Fourth rod is an 1000 place, value of the upper bead is 5000, and fifth rod is 10,000, value of the upper bead is 50,000. Okay, and next rod will called as a lakh rod, mean the value of the upper bead is 5 lakh and 50 lakh after that. Okay, these are the place values and the values of upper bead and lower beads. Okay, and another thing is we will called as an upper bead as an sky beads, and the lower bead will called as an another name is earth beads. This is a explanation of abacus tool. Okay, here when we are going to use abacus tool, we need to use pencils here. Okay, we need to hold like this. Here we should use pencil with the 3 fingers. We need to keep with the 3 fingers, and this is an thumb finger, and we will call this one as an index finger. When we are going to calculate the beads, we are going to use these two fingers, thumb finger and index finger. Okay, now let us zoom that. This is an zooming. We need to hold with the two fingers, that is divider, and we need to slightly move our hands. This is called zooming. Okay, then we need to use our fingers. I will show you. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I used here thumb finger to count the numbers, and to less the beats I am going to use index finger here. Okay, when we are adding, we need to use thumb finger for the lower beats. When we are going to less the beats, we need to use index finger for lower beats. And for upper beats, to add the 5 upper beat, we need to use index finger, and to less also we need to use index finger. Okay, we are going to add thumb finger, and we are going to less index finger for lower beats. Here upper beats we are going to add the beat, and less the beats the same finger, that is index finger. So this is a explanation and how to use the fingers I showed you. Okay, yes, and then another class I will show you how to add the numbers and subtract the numbers. Okay, yes, stay tuned with me and keep safe.